A food recall is an important safety step that happens when a company or the government tells people to stop eating, selling, or using a certain food product. This is usually because there is a risk that the food could make people sick or cause harm. Food recalls are a way to protect the public from dangerous or unsafe foods, and they can happen at any time, for many different reasons. Sometimes, a food recall happens because something harmful, like bacteria, glass, or chemicals, has accidentally gotten into the food. For example, a chocolate bar might be contaminated with a dangerous germ, or a piece of plastic could be found inside a snack. These problems can happen during the manufacturing process, when food is being made, packaged, or shipped to stores. Other times, the food might have the wrong label, which can be just as dangerous. If a product contains peanuts but the label doesn't say so, someone with a peanut allergy could get very sick. Food recalls help keep us safe by making sure we know about these mistakes before anyone gets hurt. When a company discovers a serious problem, they must act quickly and responsibly. They work with stores to remove the food from shelves, and they use news reports, websites, and social media to warn people not to eat or use the product. This fast action helps prevent illness and protects everyone who might have bought the food. Food recalls can happen with any type of food: meat, vegetables, dairy, or even treats like chocolate. No food is completely safe from the possibility of a recall, which is why food safety checks are so important. Recalls are serious events. They remind us that mistakes and accidents can happen, even in the biggest and most careful factories. But they also show that there are systems in place to catch these problems and fix them before they cause harm. Companies and government agencies work together to monitor food safety every day. When a recall happens, it means they are paying attention and taking action to protect people. Their goal is always to keep the public safe and healthy, and to fix problems as soon as they are found. So, when you hear about a food recall, remember that it's a sign that someone is working hard behind the scenes to keep your food safe. It's important to listen to recall notices, check your food at home, and follow the advice given. By staying informed and careful, you help protect yourself and your family from harm. Not long ago, a well-known and much-loved chocolate bar in the UK was suddenly recalled, causing quite a stir among shoppers and chocolate fans alike. This wasn't just any ordinary recall, it involved one of the most popular treats found in nearly every supermarket across the country. The recall happened after the company discovered a serious issue with some of the bars. They found that a batch might have been contaminated, which immediately raised concerns for both the company and the public. News of the recall spread quickly, making headlines and sparking conversations everywhere, especially since so many people had already purchased the chocolate and brought it home. The official recall was announced in early June 2026. The specific problem was that certain bars could contain small pieces of plastic, likely introduced during the manufacturing process. This discovery was alarming, as even a tiny fragment of plastic in food can pose a health risk. Accidentally eating plastic can be dangerous, potentially causing choking or injury, even if the amount is very small. As soon as the company realized the potential danger, they acted swiftly and responsibly to address the situation and prevent anyone from getting hurt. Supermarkets across the UK responded immediately by removing the affected chocolate bars from their shelves. In some stores, entire sections dedicated to the chocolate were left empty, with recall notices posted to inform customers about the situation and the reason for the sudden disappearance. The company also issued a public announcement and press release, urging customers to check their chocolate bars at home and avoid eating them if they matched the recalled batch. Their goal was to reach as many people as possible, making sure everyone was aware of the potential risk before consuming the product. The news came as a shock to chocolate lovers all over the country. Many people rushed to their kitchens to check if their chocolate bars were affected, while others expressed concern and disappointment. The recall left everyone wondering what steps to take next and how to safely handle the chocolate bars they already had at home. The recall was made by Choco Treats Ltd., a well-known and trusted chocolate company in the UK, famous for producing a wide range of popular chocolate bars enjoyed by people of all ages. Their products are found in almost every supermarket and corner shop across the country, making them a household name. The issue came to light when the company's dedicated quality control team discovered something unusual during a routine inspection at their main factory. These regular checks are an important part of their process to ensure every chocolate bar meets strict safety and quality standards before reaching customers. During one of these checks, they found that some machines had unexpectedly broken down. As a result, small pieces of plastic from the damaged machinery ended up mixing with the chocolate. This contamination posed a serious risk, as eating chocolate with plastic pieces could be dangerous. Because of this, the affected chocolate bars were considered unsafe to eat, and the company knew they had to act quickly to protect their customers. Choco Treats Ltd. immediately contacted the Food Standards Agency, or FSA, as soon as they confirmed the problem. They provided all the details about the incident and worked closely with the authorities to decide the best course of action. The FSA is a government group responsible for making sure the food we eat is safe. They investigate food safety issues, set regulations, and help companies respond to emergencies like this one. Working together, Choco Treats Ltd. And the FSA decided to recall all the chocolate bars that might have been affected by the plastic contamination. They acted without delay to remove the products from store shelves and prevent anyone from getting hurt. The company publicly apologized for the incident, expressing regret for any worry or inconvenience caused. They reassured customers that their safety was the top priority and promised to make things right. Choco Treats Ltd. Provided clear instructions to help customers identify which chocolate bars were affected. They listed the specific batch numbers and best before dates, so people could easily check if their chocolate was part of the recall. Importantly, only certain batches were recalled. Most Choco Treats chocolate bars were not affected and remained safe to eat, so customers could continue to enjoy their favorite treats with confidence. Choco Treats Ltd. also promised to thoroughly investigate how the plastic contamination happened in the first place. They want to understand exactly what went wrong so they can prevent it from happening again. The company is now working hard to repair the broken machinery and strengthen their quality control processes. Their goal is to ensure that every chocolate bar they make is safe, delicious, and free from any contamination in the future. Okay, so if you have one of the recalled chocolate bars at home, do not eat it. Eating something with plastic inside could hurt your mouth or your stomach. Honestly, it's better to be safe than sorry. Even if the chocolate looks totally normal, you should check the packaging for the batch number and the best before date. This information was, shared in the recall notice. If your chocolate bar matches the recalled batch, you should return it to the shop where you bought it. Most shops will give you a refund, and you don't even need a receipt. If you're not sure, it's best not to eat the chocolate. You can also call the company's customer helpline for advice. Keeping the packaging can help them know if your chocolate is part of the recall. Remember, following these steps is really important for your health and safety. Food safety starts at the shop and continues at home. Always check the packaging when you buy food. Make sure it is not damaged or open. If something looks unusual, pick another product. Read labels carefully. Look for allergy warnings, expiry dates, and storage instructions. If you see a recall notice at the shop, pay attention. Stores often post signs to warn customers about recalled products. At home, store food the right way. Keep chocolate in a cool, dry place. Don't leave food out in the sun or near hot appliances. Wash your hands before and after handling food, especially if you are sharing it with others. If you ever feel sick after eating something, tell an adult or see a doctor. Keeping food safe is a team effort, and everyone can help. Checking for food recalls is easy and can keep you and your family safe. You can visit the Food Standards Agency website. They list all recent food recalls and explain what to do. Many supermarkets also have recall notices on their websites and in their stores. Sign up for food recall alerts, if you can. Some companies send emails or text messages about recalls. You can also watch the news or look for updates on social media. It only takes a few minutes to stay informed. If you buy food online, check your emails for any recall messages from the shop. Always read the public notices carefully. Make sure you understand which products are affected. Being aware of recalls helps you make safe choices for yourself and your loved ones. Food recalls might seem scary, but they are a sign that safety comes first. Companies and the government are working together to protect people. Mistakes can happen, but acting fast can stop bigger problems. Recalls also help companies learn and get better. When something goes wrong, they find out why and fix it. This makes food safer for everyone in the future. It also builds trust between customers and brands. When you hear about a food recall, share the news with friends and family. Some people might not know and could still have the recalled product at home. Helping each other stay informed is important. Food safety is everyone's job. When we pay attention, we help keep our communities healthy. Chocolate is a wonderful part of life, but it is important to stay safe. Always listen to food recall alerts. Even if you think your food is fine, it only takes a moment to check and it can protect your health. Remember to look at labels and follow advice from shops and government agencies. If you're not sure about a food product, ask for help. It is always better to be careful than to take risks. By staying informed and sharing recall news, you help protect everyone around you. Food safety is not just for experts, it's for all of us. So next time you reach for a chocolate bar, remember, a little attention goes a long way in keeping life sweet and safe.